What is going on, guys? Today's video we have 3 new products from Lumoonosity. These are new neon signs. We have the Game On neon sign, the Follow Me, and the GG neon sign. Let's get into the Follow Me sign, I believe. Yep, Follow Me. So here it is. We have the neon sign here in bubble wrap, and you also have installation card as well as a satisfactory card, and then some 3M adhesive for the design itself. You don't have to use these. These are damage free, by the way. I recommend using for the control panel if you want to stick it under a desk, on a wall or something. If you use it on the sign, they do have some holes here for screws or thumbtacks, so you can use that. It says please peel off before installation. So let's go ahead and peel this off just for a better look. And now it looks better. So if it's on a wall, white, black, any color wall, it'll bounce off really well. That looks really nice. It looks like a notification bubble as well. So this will definitely be an eye catcher in streams and stuff. Get into the next one. Right here we have the Game On sign. Most of these are for gamers and streamers, which is what Lumoonosity is targeting for. And then we also have the same thing in here. So that's what it looks like. That's what the white peel off there. And then once we take it off, it'll look a lot better. Really nice. So you have a Game On there as well. And these are spotless. They have really good channels here. This is the same neon rope style design. And then finally we have the GG neon sign. These are all made of acrylic. So you can see the craftsmanship from the back. Even from the back, it looks fairly nice as well. They do have different colors available for both of these signs, I believe, or all 3 of these signs. All right. So we have a power bank here, which they are any supported from USB power. So first I'm going to show you what they look like with all the lights on and see how bright they are, and then I'll show you what they look like with all the lights off so I can show you the ambient glow. So let's turn them on in 3, 2, 1. Wow, those look amazing. We have Game On, Follow Me, GG. This looks really good in person. I don't know what it looks like on camera. It looks probably really good as well. So this shouldn't be overexposed or anything. The corners are really good. A little bit of the O's have some bad cutting right here. On this one, it looks really good. Yep, excellent craftsmanship on this one. Super good, easy craftsmanship on this one. The Follow Me is a little iffy. It might have been just mine, but just a little iffy. And there is like a little piece of plastic in there as well, or tape. The Follow Me, only thing is the O's. They're not fully flush. And these do pop off if you press hard enough, so you can see the LEDs, as you can see. So if you ever wanted to just change them out or something, then you can do that. Or you can modify them yourself if you know how to do that. They're like fairly easy, and that's the spottage on them. They look really good. So now I'll turn off all the lights and show you what they look like. All right, so we have all the lights off, and we're gonna turn them on in 3, 2, 1. Wow, even better. So you can see the ambient glow, obviously, what I was talking about. It has a little shine on the back. As you can see, you see the background? It has that little glow, and it'll illuminate on the background on your wall as well, so it'll give off a really nice look. And these are very well diffused, so you can see that really well on camera. Really good. Game On, really clean. And then we have the GG one as well. And I will mount all of these with the thumbtacks, since thankfully you don't have to mount them with 3M adhesive, which is nice. That has multiple options of mounting. Most companies should be able to do that. But if you don't like the thumbtack look, use 3M adhesive. Very simple. And these 2 color themes are very popular, and they flow really good with any setup. Blue and pink are the most popular colors on gaming.